So I just bought this Ford Explorer from a used car lot, and they got like one key for the truck and no key fob. And they can tell that I was power locks, and I had the dealership run the VIN number, and they said, yeah, it definitely came with the key fob. So the dealership wanted like 56 bucks for the key fob. So I ended up buying this one online for like 11 bucks. So this is what the key fob looks like right here. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'll show you how to program this key fob to your 2006 to 2010 Ford Explorer. It should be a pretty easy procedure, and I'll show you what's involved with it. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure all the doors are shut. Okay, so when you do this, you have to start in the opposition and go into the run position 8 times, and you have to do it kind of quick. So on the last turn forward, leave the key in the run position. Don't start the truck, and it should go into a programming mode. You'll hear the door locks lock and unlock, and then you can press any button on the key fob to make sure that it's working okay. So let's do this real quick. There you go. You can hear the door locks pop. Then press, the buttons to make sure that works all right. And then turn the truck off. Take the key out of the ignition, and you should be all set. And now you have a key fob for the vehicle. This is awesome. I'm gonna buy another one of these. It's such a pain not to have these. And when I got this truck, I only had this key. And I was like, you gotta be kidding me. It doesn't even have the key fob with it. So that's how you program it. So walk around the truck, make sure you're all set, press all the buttons, make sure everything works. Now you can pop the glass on the back of the truck again. So that's pretty cool to have. You can lock and unlock the doors. And if you're gonna get mugged, you can hit the mug button, and should be good. So if you have one of these Explorers that's an 06 to 2010, that's how you can program a key fob for it. If you don't have one, yeah, you grew up in Lowell, I can get into anything. But that's how you do it. It's not too hard. Just take your time, try it a couple of times. If the first time it doesn't work, you should be okay. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can buy one. And if you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'd be a huge help to me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great stuff coming up. Thanks for watching.